So if you focus on weight loss solely, you are setting yourself up for complete failure. My name is CJ. This is Evolve Strong with CJ, and I help you lose 10 pounds and 5 inches in 28 days. Let me repeat what I just said. If you focus on strictly weight loss and tactics to lose weight or inches, you are fighting a losing battle. Yes, in the short term, you will probably lose the weight. Yes, in the short term, you probably will lose inches. Yes, in the short term, you probably will succeed. But at the end, if you have not focused on the underlying fundamentals of habits and discipline, you will gain it all back, period. And this is, let's dive a little deeper into this, okay? And let me talk what I'm telling you about tactics. Tactics are meal replacements, right? That's a tactic. Yes, absolutely. If you're going to drink a shake for the rest of your life for 2 meals a day, then great. You'll probably be able to keep that weight off or lose the inches. If you are going to go on a fad starvation diet, right? Where, you don't eat, or you go on a liquid diet for 2 weeks, right? I don't understand that at all. There's absolutely zero benefit unless there's religion or other parts behind this, right? You have your kidneys and your liver work just fine. Now, if you want to replace this with some sort of elixir or fluid or something that you think is healthy for you, great. But you need food. You need food. Okay, so quick. But within 2 weeks, if you're going to go a liquid only diet, yeah, okay, you're going to lose a little shitload of weight. You're gonna pee and poop it out. Well, it's gonna become like a pee stream on your pooper because there's no solid in your system. So hell yeah, you're gonna get rid of a lot of weight. But the moment you put food back in, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna slingshot right back. Think about taking sugars out, or taking bread out, or taking carbohydrates. All of these brand new gluten intolerant, whatever. Again, guys, the moment you deprive your system of something and then you put it back in, your equilibrium just goes to kaput, right? So, the fad diets of the Atkins, I agree with it in certain aspects. I do. I absolutely do. And for the most part, I try my best to just stay on a protein-rich diet with what do they call, with good carbohydrates, right? Broccolis, cauliflowers, carrots, the good stuff, right? So yes, I agree with certain aspects of it, but if to become your only thing, it's very difficult, okay? So once again, these fads, these things of just, or doing this, guys, only going for a season of hard exercise, right? Hard exercise, exertion, knowing that at the end, you're done, okay? The one and dones. The biggest one that is just scary as hell, and actually I saw my general practitioner this weekend. We were talking about my profession, and he was talking about all the people on the Ozempic, the pills and I mean the shot now. It's supposed to be treating diabetes, guys, not for weight loss. And he gave me a whole list of issues that he is now facing with his clients that are rebounding after their cycles of it. And, some people are very successful. And yes, I get it. Like when you have good doctor or physician behind you, such as, Dr. Shamari and these guys, and they do know that, that you meet the standards by which, but if you're just someone that just, again, I'm not going to go into this. Be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful with easy fixes, because if you have not focused on the underlying habit formations that you need to sustain the weight loss and improve the other factors of your health, like strength development, core, like blood flow, like heart, like the digestive system, like all the, the huge systems of your body, the endocrine system, if you are not improving those on a daily basis, which takes work, you're not going to have a sustainable outcome. And with that said, one of the major attributes of keeping the goals that you achieve is discipline. And it's discipline for life. It is not just a quick fix, team. Unfortunately, I had to say this. So, when you're going into this new year, you have to really hone in and focus maybe on one habit that you're going to improve on and you're going to live by for the rest of the year. And if you do that, then that begins to develop discipline. That is why, the 5 a.m.ers, people are like, holy shit, that's too hard. That's just hard. No, that's discipline. And for those individuals that are coming to that 5 a.m. or 7 or coming with discipline and consistency to evolve or to shred or anything they're doing, I see improvements not just in their bodies, not just in their physicality, not just emotionally. I see the successes outside of this. I see businesses growing. I see their relationships improving, or they're able to step up in a bad relationship and move forward, or they're just so proud of themselves that they're taking steps that they've never taken before. That is the benefit of good habit formation, discipline, and consistency. That is what you should be focused on, is how do I improve the habits that I have and the discipline I have in life. That's it. When you have those two items and along with a little bit of consistency, holy macaroni, you're unstoppable going into the new year. So hone in. Maybe this will spark your idea generation for, or just spark something in you to light a fire of what you should be focused on. Quit focusing on weight loss. Quit focusing on fat loss. Quit focusing on weight gain. Quit focusing on muscle gain. Those are end results. Focus on what's going to get you there, which is healthy habits. And don't go with like 10,000 habits, right? Don't be getting in a nice bath and then drinking this elixir and then having to meditate for this and then having to do that. My God, by the time it's like noon, you're never going to have done jack shit. Focus on one habit that you know that's going to make a difference. Showing up at Evolve at 5 a.m. every morning. That's going to make a huge difference. Jotting down what you're eating every single day. That's going to make another huge difference. Right? And then be disciplined and consistent with whatever you're doing. And I'll tell you, you're going to get great results. If you need a little bit of help, 505-591-4700, 505-591-4700. I'd love to help you. All right? From my heart to yours. Remember, start strong, stay strong, always be, evolve, and upmo strong. Well, not that anymore. Just evolve strong.